Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Monday.com for nonprofit organizations. So first you're going to log into your account. Then next you're going to click on the plus button on the main workspace. Then you're going to select the board option. Then you're going to rename it as Programs and Projects. Then click on Custom and click on Create Board. So we're going to create a board. So now we're going to add columns. We're going to add numerous columns since it's a nonprofit organization. Then we're going to rename those columns. As you've seen, I've added a text column in, then a drop down is what I'm adding right now. We're also going to rename it. Again, I added a status column in. I renamed it as stage. So you guys can also edit the stages. As you can see, depending on your preference, you can edit it, then click on apply. Then I added a date column in. I renamed it as start date. The next one, I renamed it as in date. Then I added people. I renamed it as project lead. Same with the numbers. So it's basically adding columns and making it fit to a nonprofit organization. You can also add formulas. You guys can add a formula. Then click on set formula. So once you're done, you're going to click on automate. So we're going to create an automation from scratch. So you guys could choose the type of automation you want. So when status changes something, then you can notify someone. This is one example of an automation. And once you're done, you guys could create automation. So this is one way to do it. You guys could also add another board. You can call it the volunteers board since it's a nonprofit organization. So you're going to basically do the same. Add the same type of columns except with different names and different purposes. Then once you're done, you're also going to automate this. Then this is how you use it for nonprofit organizations. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.